Welcome to 12 Milton Street. I'm Tanya Namick with Remax Solid Gold Realty. Join me and let's take a tour. Take note of the open concept main floor with the living room, large dining room, and a gorgeous custom kitchen. Need more entertaining space? Follow me to the brand new addition where you'll find a cozy family room, two-piece bath, and a mudroom off the side door. Primary room is highlighted by the Juliette balcony with a great view, the walk-in closet, and a gorgeous ensuite. Two large bedrooms with generous-sized closets and a second-floor laundry. Beautiful four-piece bath with a tub. Renovated top to bottom, inside and out. Don't want to miss this gem.